Hope everyone's having a great day today. My name is John with Greenlight Property Management, and today we're here at 313 Clark Street in Irving, Texas. Zip code for this property is 75060. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom halfplex that is part of a duplex. As you see here, it's this right side unit. It's around 900 square feet. And here is kind of a layout of the front. You have a very long driveway here that leads out to the street, and then it leads back. As you can see, it's very long. There's a small little yard back here, as well as like some side yard here, but you have the one-car garage there. You could use it as an actual garage. It's not electric or anything. It's a manual open and close door, but it still serves its purpose, for storage or for car storage. So let's go inside and check it out. So the walls have been updated. The walls have been updated paint. We did it throughout the entire house. We also updated the flooring. We refinished it. And here is the living room area here. As you can see, everything is nice and painted. Got the original wood floors here that we just refinished and stained. Very nice unit here. We do have a closet here in the living room. Just a generic storage closet here. Here is the dining area. It is a little smaller, but if you put kind of a little bit of a smaller table, maybe some smaller chairs, or even like a bar table with taller chairs, more like a vertical, then I think it would work great. But it's still, even though it's a little bit smaller of a dining area, it still serves its function. As you see there, area for vases, bottles, all sorts of stuff that you want to put there. Got the cabinets here that pull out, and you can store stuff in there. In here in the kitchen, very nice in here. Nice and clean. In the kitchen here, we got this is actually a brand new oven range. We got the stainless steel sink with the garbage disposal. We have the refrigerator right here, just your basic fridge. And then we have here the pantry, and it's got lots of good space in here. So let's go check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Here is kind of the hallway. As you can see, they have kind of still have the old style area where the landline phone would go. But now it's just kind of a more of like a decorative thing. But let me back on up here so we can check out this hallway. As you can see, it's very long. Just continues to go and go. So let's go check out the bathroom here. So as you can see, it's kind of that same vinyl sheet as the kitchen, and then just a very nice bathroom. For it being an individual bathroom, it actually has a really good amount of space. So you have the laundry hamper here, then you have cabinet space here. So nice little setup in here. Serves its purpose really well. And then lastly, we're going to check out the bedroom here. As you can see, very nice. We have 4 windows in here, so it brings in really good light. Right now it's actually kind of raining outside, so we don't have a lot of sunlight, but when there is good sunlight, these bring in really good light, and you really don't even need like the light on the ceiling fan. So very nice room in here. You got 2 closets. Can't go wrong with 2 closets. Just a very nice setup. Here's this left side of the closet here. As you see, Good space. And then same thing here. Just some more closet space. Like a couple's closet, I guess you could call it. And then let's go check out the laundry room. So the laundry room is actually right here to the left, or sorry, to the right of the kitchen. And it's like a little outdoor area here that's enclosed. But you have your dryer here. They are a little bit older washer and dryers, but they work. So it's always nice to be able to have already a washer and dryer in the unit. So let's go check out the garage here. As you can see, we got lots of good shade here in the back. And just a nice little yard here. If you see some trash, we're still in the process of picking all the trash up, but that's just the case. And then here is the garage. As you can see, as far as it being wide, it's really not that wide, but it's a very vertical garage. So you can walk really, really deep into here. And we have the cabinetry here for storage. But as you can tell here, we got the very long driveway out to the front, and it leads into the garage here. So I mean, I would say you could put like 8 cars in the driveway and then one in here, if that's necessary. But just a very unique property here, duplex. But thanks again for watching. Again, this is 313 Clark Street in Irving, Texas, 75060. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 900 square foot unit. I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you.